Hi guys, I'm out here early today because it's gonna be another 107 degrees today. So I do my video earlier. Today I want to talk about how I handle my internet here. We live in an RV park and they provide internet, but as almost all those places, it's not really reliable, has a weak signal. So I had to come up with something. I was an over-the-road truck driver for many years, and internet was always a problem there. You could get it in a truck stop, but most of the time you had to pay for it. But when you parked somewhere else, it was always a problem to get internet. I tried at that time, I tried everything there is. You know, those little hotspots that you put in your pocket, little boxes. Yeah, they work, but if you run out of your data, it's pretty expensive to get more data for it. So that didn't really work. Yeah, you have a hotspot from your cell phone, but there, if you run out, it's only allowed a certain amount of data. If you run out, it's expensive to top it up if you even can. So I ended up getting this. This is my home internet. It's from T-Mobile, and after a long research, I decided to get this one. It has unlimited data, and it costs only $50 a month. That's about $1.60 a day. So, and I'm really happy with it. It is 5G. It has a display on top where you can scroll around. All different options in there. It comes with a mobile app that you download on your cell phone, and you can control your internet from there. There's everything on there that you need to adjust or set or just check on it. You can also go on the internet and do the same there. Later on, I'm going to show you a speed test that I did on my computer, and you can see it's 5G. It's really fast. I believe 50 computers, cell phones, whatever you got, game boxes, and you can create 4 hotspot names with it, so you can have different hotspot names, which is pretty good. That splits it up so you don't have 4 or 5 devices on one hotspot. You can just split it up. That works even better. Like every other hotspot device, it doesn't come with a static IP address, so I'm not aware, or I didn't look into it, if you can buy a static IP address from T-Mobile. I think it's possible, but I'm not sure. I have to look into that. Those are the ports from the back side. It's just the normal setup with a reset button, LAN 1, LAN 2. There's a USB connection on it, on-off button, and that's about it. that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I see you in the next video. Bye.